Hop into the 2023 Subaru Outback. Get outside and explore in comfort in this feature-rich Outback. Rugged, safe, and built to last, this capable compact SUV is your reliable partner on every adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, fog lamps, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, heated mirrors, power liftgate, aluminum wheels. Feel ready for whatever the road has in store in this rugged Outback. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.